Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people working in the IT industry, specifically the people working in companies like TCS Infosys and L&T Technology Services. The reason is very simple because we are going to share three important points which are bothering a lot of people in the IT industry, which is causing them a lot of headache and pain. So we are going to discuss those 3 points and maybe we can provide a solution as well. Okay, so let us discuss that. The first thing is about the tracking hours in the office by TCS and Infosys. Then we will be discussing about L&T fired 200 plus employees, and then we will be discussing about how you can safeguard yourself and how you can be safe. Okay, let us move forward. Now here I want to tell you one important update, that please like this video and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry so that you can get regular updates about the videos that we post online. Also, we have an Instagram handle, that is ID is air.tech. You can go in the description box. I will give the link. You can go us and follow us on Instagram as well. Also, we have a group on Telegram with more than 2,000 plus people. Okay, sorry for that. 2,000 people we have connected on Telegram. They ask the doubts and queries in that group. You can go and join it. Okay, the link is again in the description box. Now let us first discuss about the L&T job cut. Okay, the layoffs that has happened in L&T Technology Services. There is a report that says that it laid off more than 200 employees in the mid to senior roles. Now let me tell you guys that freshers, when they are joining the company, any company, okay, IT or consultancy or any company, what happens is, or even the manufacturing industry, right, the package that they are getting is very low compared to that of senior and mid-level employees. So that is the reason this level, okay, they have a lot of salary, and the amount of work, the actual work, definitely they are doing a lot of work, but when it comes to like on skill or on role work that you are doing, right, on paper, what the work that you are doing, right, management and everything is handled by mid and senior roles, right, but actual work is done by the freshers or the low level employees, okay, low level experienced employees. Okay, so this is the thing. Now here you can see L&T Technology Services has reportedly laid off 200 employees in the mid to senior roles, mainly in the delivery and support functions due to integration of automation. Now this is very interesting thing, guys. Okay, so what has happened, the company L&T Technology Services, they have implemented and they have integrated automation in their systems. So what happens is the delivery and support functions, okay, the roles which are available for the senior to mid level, okay, so they were completely eradicated, they were completely removed because they integrated automation and AI tools into their systems. Okay, now this is quite concerning and it is causing a lot of pain for a lot of IT people. Okay, because a lot of people, as you all know, that many banks, many companies, they had their support offices and support backend offices here in India because they were getting cheaply. Okay, so that is the reason they were coming to India, they were giving a lot of work to Indian people, and that is how the Indian companies were growing. Now to safeguard this, okay, what you can do is you can start learning about automation, how you can use automated tools. Okay, no, I'm not going to tell you about the chat GPT and all those things. Definitely there are a lot of things. Okay, UI path, you have Selenium, you have a lot of things which you can learn, which can be helpful for automating the processes that are already there in your company. Okay, so for example, there are some tools which are Jenkins, like, okay, or Docker, which are used in deployments, which will help you automate your code deployment and everything, right? So that is the reason the people who are simply marketing you with advertisements, I hope that this video also have got a advertisement like that guy, or some people who are like marketing their courses on Microsoft AI, Power BI and a lot of things. Power BI is good, but chat GPT and all these things, everyone knows about it, there is nothing new. Okay, guys, so I wanted to highlight this point as well, but integration of automation is very important. If you have an experience, if you know about how to automate processes, how to automate development, how to automate testing, how to automate a deployment, or how to automate tickets, how to resolve it automatically, how to assign it to different persons automatically, then that is the best place. Okay, now let us come back to the main point, that is tracking hours in offices. Okay, so right now TCS recently made a headline by calling all of its employees back to office 5 days a week. Okay, following that, Infosys has also declared a statement that they will be calling all of its employees back to office 3 days a week. Now, what is happening at Infosys is very interesting. They have asked all of its employees, like most of the employees, that you will have to report to office 3 days a week. Otherwise, otherwise you cannot fill the timesheet by yourself. Okay, you cannot fill the timesheet, or you can only fill the timesheet for 2 days. Okay, the rest of the 3 days you have to come to office. Now, teachers might be also doing the same thing. Okay, as of now, I made a recently video about benefits of working at TCS, and I clearly mentioned that there is no concept of 9 hours works in TCS. So even if you're going to office, you can come back like in within 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or even 1 hour. Okay, that is also possible in TCS, but in Infosys or other companies, it is not possible. You have to clock in 8 hours of work, okay, in the ODC or the Bay Area, and the rest, like 1.5 hour or 1 hour, you can use for your lunch and your snacks and teas and everything, right? So this is the case with other companies, but with TCS it was not. But right now, what TCS is doing, it has started tracking hours in the office as well. Okay, so Infosys and TCS are tracking 9 hours mandatory. I mean, they have not made it mandatory yet. They have not sent it any emails to from the HRs to the employees, but definitely they are on a verge to do it. The reason is very simple, that for TCS, if you go to Ultimatics portal and if you go to the to office, that is to office, and you will be finding all your tracking, how many days you went to the office, how many hours you were there in the office, right? And a lot of people feel that I will go simply in the morning, early morning, I will go at 7 or 8 and I will punch the card and come back again in 5 minutes. So that is not possible. Okay, that is again considered in the previous day only. So guys, you might also try and check it. We can try the permutations and combinations, but definitely they are tracking the hours as well. So guys, if you're anyone who is working at TCS or even Infosys, then do mention in the comment section, do check out this two office and do let us know if they're tracking the hours or not. Okay. So till then, I would wish you all the best. Okay. And please don't forget to like this video, share it with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching this video, guys. Hope you have a good day and a good weekend.